Okay guys, so I want to show you how easy it is to ink a mug. I'm going to take this mini transfer and first I'm going to fuzz it. I'm just going to add a light layer of lint on the back so that my transfer doesn't get too stuck onto my mug. I don't want to pull the transfer off if it's too tight. That can mess up your transfer and stretch it out. So now all I'm doing is pulling out all of the bubbles, making sure that the negative space doesn't have any bubbles under it. I'm just pushing out any extra bubbles and making sure that it lays flat on my mug. And once I have it where I want it, I'm going to go ahead and grab my ink. Our inks are permanent, but they are very easy to use. And if you get it on your hands, it's going to come right off. I'm using my squeegee and I'm spreading the ink across the entire design, making sure that I have an even layer and making sure that I cover all of the design. I don't want to have any missing parts. I am now squeegeeing up any extra ink and putting it back into my container. Then we just grab a corner and lift, and that's it. There's our design. I'm going to put my transfer in some water so that I can get the ink off, and we are done. Wasn't that super easy and simple? We just inked a mug in less than 2 minutes.